Welcome! Today I'm with Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first you should go to the phone application and right there just tap on the three dots on the right upper corner. Just now go to settings. Okay, and now here you can see the blocked numbers. Tap on this section and as can you see here we got one block number. Just tap here on this icon to remove this number from your blacklist. Just here conflict to unblock and as can you see that's unblocked. If you wanna you can add also here one more number. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.